Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're getting you up to speed with everything you need to know before the market opens. I'm here Monday through Friday with videos out before the opening bell, so make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and turn on those notifications so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Also, don't forget to check out the App Store, where you can download the TipRanks mobile app for your Apple or Android device. This way you can stay up to date with all of the latest analyst ratings, market news, and manage your smart portfolio on the go. Links are in the description below. As always, this morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, this morning's biggest gainers and losers, as well as notable earnings reports. So let's get into it, starting off with stock market news. U.S. stock futures are modestly green this morning, with both the Dow and S&P 500 futures up about 0.1% and NASDAQ futures up 0.17%. Shares of vaccine-making companies are taking a bit of a hit as momentum gathers to waive patent protection for their virus vaccine shots. Wix is poised to start offering its merchants tools to help drive customer value following the acquisition of Rise AI. With the acquisition, the global software-as-a-service platform gains access to a wide array of tools and solutions that merchants can rely on for customer re-engagement activities. Rise AI's re-engagement tools should allow merchants to increase the number of orders they receive from customers. In addition, they should help the merchants drive repeat sales and grow average order value. The Wix stock does currently come in as a strong buy, with an average upside potential of nearly 25%. Camping World has expanded its footprint in Minnesota by agreeing to acquire Hilmerson RV in Little Falls. Camping World expects the transaction to close in early summer 2021. This facility in Little Falls will be Camping World's 11th location in Minnesota. Upon transitioning to the Camping World brand, it will offer a range of new and used RVs along with RV and outdoor products. The Camping World Holdings stock does come in as a strong buy with an average upside potential over 25%. Facebook plans to foster connections on a local level. Neighborhoods is the company's new offering that seeks to enhance connections and interactions between neighbors. The opt-in offering is integrated within the Facebook app. With Neighborhoods, Facebook hopes to bring local experience into one centralized place. The connection enabled by the offering should allow people to offer support, meet, and share common interest on the local level. To join the service, one only needs to be 18 years or older and confirm their neighborhood. Neighborhoods is currently only available in Canada, but they will plan to launch it in select U.S. cities soon. Facebook also comes in as a strong buy based on 32 analyst ratings and has an average upside potential over 23%. Zynerba Pharma has received guidance from the FDA for a phase 3 trial of Zynyba to treat Fragile X syndrome, or FXS. FXS is a rare genetic disability that causes inherited intellectual disability as well as autism spectrum disorders. In the phase 3 trial called Reconnect, the efficacy and safety profile of Zynyba will be evaluated in children and adolescents with FXS. If the results are positive, Zynyba could become the first FDA-approved treatment option for the significant unmet medical need that affects patients with FXS and their families. Zynerba Pharma comes in as a moderate buy based on 3 analyst ratings with an average upside potential of 75%, one of those price targets being reiterated just today with an upside of 83%. Good-Natured Products has announced that it has signed a deal to acquire all of X-Tex Plastics' operating assets. Good-Natured Products bought the manufacturer of high-quality rigid plastic sheets and real estate assets owned by related company ETP for approximately 14.1 million Canadian in cash. The acquisition of X-Tech will nearly double Good-Natured Products' revenue and provide cost synergies in terms of eliminating the company's existing outsourcing arrangement and its additional scale of operations. The X-Tech acquisition represents the company's 3rd acquisition in the past 12 months. The Good-Natured Products stock does come in as a strong buy with an average upside of over 41%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Starting off with our biggest gainer this morning, which is Stealth Biotherapeutics. Under the ticker MITO, they're currently up 59% in the pre-market, followed by Luokung Technology under LKCO, currently up 25%, and Namara Medical, under NMRD, currently up over 20%, following a gain of 135% yesterday. Our biggest losers this morning are led by James River Group Holdings, under JRVR, who are currently down 21%, followed by FSLY under FSLY, currently down 18%, and we'll touch further on this under earnings reports, and Rocket Companies under RKT, currently down over 13%, again due to a recent earning report. So now moving over to notable earnings reports. Starting off with T-Mobile, who expects to deliver even stronger 2021 results than initially anticipated. The telecom operator has raised its full-year outlook after reporting strong Q1 earnings. T-Mobile merged with rival Sprint to expand its business. Given the strength of the execution of the merger, synergies are projected to more than double the $1.3 billion delivered in 2020. Their revenues rose to $19.8 billion from the $11.1 billion a year ago. Earnings per share of 74 cents was down from $1.10 as the Sprint merger added more shares. Moving forward, they expect to add 4.4 to 4.9 million postpaid subscribers in 2021, much higher than the 4 to 4.7 million initially forecasted. Additionally, they lifted their free cash flow target to 5.1 to 5.5 billion, up from 4.9 to 5.4 billion previously. The T-Mobile stock does come in as a strong buy, with an average upside potential of nearly 19%. And as I mentioned before, we also heard from FSLY, who posted widening losses for their first quarter. Furthermore, their second quarter and fiscal year 21 financial outlook disappointed analysts, and the company's CFO exited the company. The cloud-based content delivery network company reported a non-GAAP diluted net loss per share of 12 cents versus a net loss of 6 cents per share in the same quarter last year. Analysts were expecting a loss of 11 cents. The company posted revenues of around $85 million, a rise of 35% year over year that did come in ahead of analyst estimates of $84.3 million. They also provided a disappointing financial outlook for the second quarter, expecting their revenue to land between 84 to 87 million and a non-GAAP net loss to range between 16 to 19 cents per share. Right now, the FSLY stock does come in as a hold based on 6 analyst ratings. We had one analyst update their price target yesterday with an upside potential of 46%. We also heard from one of the world's largest gold producers, Barrick Gold, who posted a higher profit in the first quarter of 2021 than it did a year ago, as rising gold and copper prices boosted revenue. The Toronto-based gold miner said it was on track to meet annual forecasts. Barrick Gold's revenue came in at nearly $2.96 billion for the quarter, which was an increase of 8.8% from the prior year quarter. Their revenues from copper mines increased 31% as well. Meanwhile, profit amounted to $538 million or 30 cents per diluted share, which was up from $400 million or 22 cents per diluted share in the first 3 months of 2020. The Barrick Gold stock does come in as a strong buy with an average upside potential of over 30%. Also this morning, we're expecting to hear from Moderna, Fiverr International, and Wayfair. And in the after hours today, we'll be hearing from Square, Roku, AMC Entertainment, and Peloton. So lots to look forward to today. So that is everything for Thursday's pre-market morning update, bringing you up to speed before the market opens. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you back here next time.